Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Portal 2 co-op. First, make sure both you and your friend own the game on the same platform. This could be a PC, an Xbox, or a PlayStation console. It is also crucial that your game is fully updated to the most recent version to avoid any technical issues. A reliable internet connection is absolutely necessary for a seamless online experience. Remember, co-op is designed for 2 players, so grab a friend. Once you are both ready, launch Portal 2 and select the co-op option from the main menu. If you are playing on PC, you can easily invite your friend through the in-game friends list. For console players, you will use your console's built-in friend invitation system to send an invite. Your friend simply needs to accept the invitation, and they will automatically join your co-op lobby, ready to begin your adventure together. In co-op, you and your friend will each control one of 2 unique robots, Atlas or Peabody, each equipped with your own portal gun. Effective communication is absolutely vital for solving the intricate puzzles, so make sure to talk to your partner constantly. Many challenges demand precise timing and perfectly coordinated portal placement from both of you. Be prepared for new mechanics and clever puzzles that are exclusively designed for 2 players, making teamwork 100% essential. To enhance your co-op experience, always experiment with various strategies and portal placements. There is often more than one way to solve a puzzle. Make good use of the in-game ping tool to quickly highlight areas or suggest actions to your partner without needing to speak. Remember, failing is part of the fun and the learning process, so do not be afraid to try new things. Replaying levels can also help you discover alternative solutions and significantly improve your overall coordination as a team.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.